Sayawan ko kay Tagalabaw ko. Di ako nagpuyo sa Labaw. Iyon ko nga may affinity. Kaya nga akong misis is the first cousin of Noel Tamot, father ni Paul. Kailan ako mayo ang iyang parent kay sa taas ng panahon. Diyan tumulitaw pa po kani si Noel, father ni Paul. Kung lang ako, misis, barkada kayo. So, kani misis ko pa sa ay, it should go to the godfather or godmother. Diba? Kaya at least, maka-atag sila hinsawi sa ilang pagka-ginikanan sa pagkata sa Ginoo. However, because I'm a good Boy Scout, I have to sing. Wala pa higayon ng mga nalili, kundi ang Boy Scout is always ready. Paul, Ivy, congratulations. I had only learned lately na ikasal ka na diyan. So salamat kayo, at least you have found your little half sa Davao. Mga usap, nakita kami sa imong parent, pero higayon na. So, murang reunion sa mga parinti sa Tamon. Sa akong mga kumpare na tingali, si pare, ang akong misis, si Mr. Asuncion, si Arnald, isa lang din sila kahin siya sa niya. Now I know somebody of Asuncion from sa Tapicol, because my brother was a good friend of, kilala mo siguro, si Mr. Briggs Asuncion. Anggel mo. Kasi madalas kami magkita noon. Alam mo yung brother ko ay politiko, naging mayor ng Duhalin. So, nakilala kami ni Mang Briggs. So, at the outset, I would like to thank in behalf of our relatives from Iloilo who just come to attend this very memorable moment in the life of Paul and Ivy. Congratulations, and we hope and we wish you the best in life. Thank you. Good evening.
Good evening po sa lahat. For a while, parang nahirap isipin na si Ivy is, ito na, nag-get married already. While dun sa picture from the computer, nakita natin kagahagda ko pa si Ivy na baby pa siya. So that, sabi ko nga for a while, parang mahirap tanggapin. But we have to accept it that we are already aging gracefully, gracefully take note. Kay Ninang na kami ngayon sa kasal. But I would like to pick up also from the message of the sister of Paul. Na Paul and Ivy, this is another journey in life. Okay, sabi niya kanina, sana ang wish ng sister mo, sana maging straight ka na daw. I do not know what she means, kasi hindi ka naman namin masyadong kilala. But knowing Paul for a while, parang okay naman siya nung nandun siya sa kasama namin siya. So that you have to remember that this is another journey in life. And this is going to be a long journey in life. Now look at the Ninang and the Ninong and your parents. We have been kami, Tito Jerry is 26 years already. So hindi yun very smooth na life, a married life. It's going to be a smooth, rugged, laughter and tears combination yan. But then, my message would be, I would pick up also from what Father said kanina. So, 3 things. So, you have to love each other. Kasi this is not just the beginning and not the end. But this is going to be a long journey. Together, magmahalan kayong dalawa at magtulungan. Kasi kayong dalawa yung nakakaintindi. And then the second is, andito yung mga ninong at ninang to support you, to pray for you for of course. Kasi we will not always be at your side. Kayong dalawa ang haharap sa buhay ninyo. But for sure, rest assured that we will always be praying for the success of your married life. Hindi yung mag-meet kayo ng problema, walang bawian at walang balikan. I remember before, sabi nung advice ng isang auntie sa isang pamangkin, nagkaroon ng problema, bawiin ko yan ha. Ay, sinagot ko siya, hindi pwedeng bawiin. Let them go on with their life kasi buhay ninyo yan. Then the third thing is, the only secret to married life, because sabi ko, it's a long journey. You have to put God in between you. That's the only secret. Kung wala si God, hindi tayo makaka-survive. And I think you have a greater responsibility for your family. The girl or the woman is supposed to be praying for the family. You are going to pray for Paul para magkaintindihan kayo palagi. And then when children comes already, a lot of children. I have 5 kids, 4 boys and 1 girl. Sobrahan mo pa yung big. Kaya lang, yun na nga, you have to stick together, you have to pray together, and we will always be at your side. Kasi kung big family, it's going to be a happy family. So tatlo yun, you have to remember those 3 things. And then yung pinaka-secreto dyan, Big and Paul, magpasensyahan. And you have to go back always to this day. Mag-isip kayo, kung nag-away, magbati ka agad. Kung may problema, pag-usapan, nandiyan ang parents, nandiyan ang mga ninang at ninong to help you. And then always put God in between you so that mag-last yung inyong married life. Kagaya ng iba, merong 26, kami 26, merong iba 40, merong iba 50, si lolo at lola mo 50, more than 50, kasi nag-golden na sila. Okay? And then I was touched kanina dun sa sinabi ni Father na we pray that you will see the children of your children. Diba? So, long-lasting din yun. And then always to stick together and be with each other, loving each other. Gaya doon sa song ni Paul na parang kayong dalawa lang nagkaintindihan sa lyrics. So, kayong dalawa lang magkaintindihan doon kasi parang hindi namin naintindihan. And then another thing is, sabi ganun ni Father, your marriage today will spark up the old marriages before, which is very nice and very good. So every time we attend weddings, parang ma-inlove kami ulit. O, di ba? Kaya yung marriage ninyo today serve also as an inspiration to all couples. So God bless, and sabi ni Agnes, mag-last forever. Of course, mag-last forever kung nandyan si God. Okay? So thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ate Pink. And now, Mr. Gerardo Padilla.
Magandang gabi. Good evening po sila. Minsis ko yung salita. Nasabi na yata niya lahat. This is a great day and a very memorable day for Paul and Ivy. Sabi nga ni Father kanina, humantong kayo sa ganitong sitwasyon ng pagkaisang dibdib because of yung qualities na mayroon kayo, nagkasuntong kayo. Sabi nga ni Father, hopefully hindi yun magbago. Kung hindi, i-improve pa natin yung qualities na mayroon tayo sa isa't isa. Because marriage is